So in Clovis, California, we just finished installing, reinstalling some equipment or fixtures for a homeowner here. They came in and got granite countertops in and brand new sink, and so they wanted the fixtures reinstalled. So that's an existing faucet. It's a Glacier Bay from Home Depot. Not a fan of that faucet. We installed one temporarily at my son's home while we had a nicer faucet, a touchless faucet, sensor faucet on order, and it fell out in 2 days. The mounting nut down below, it's a very large one. It's a nice system, but the nuts are plastic and they don't lock in, and it falls. And then it's just, there's a lot of movement, just a lot of movement in it. Anyways, that's my little nit and pick for that. But so we installed the faucet for them, tightened it down. Then of course it's got integrated supply lines. You can see that goes over to the cold. That's integrated. So that supply line is part of the faucet, and then over to the hot. That's part of the faucet. And then it is a dual angle stop back there. It's got a brass flare cap on where the dishwasher water ties in, and we did not install that. But when we opened up the hot valve right there, it started spraying everywhere. So we just tightened the packing nut down, and it's good. So no problem there. Garbage disposal is yours. Mounting bracket's yours. Brand new basket strainer, that's yours. This is our telescoping kit right here. This is for disposal kit. It comes over, so brand new rubber gasket in there. Telescoping a T with this piece actually moves in and out of that T. And then of course a brand new tubular P-trap over there. We've run lots of water down here and filled up the bowls. Everything's looking good. We did have to cap off this. There's no dishwasher in place right now, and the plug has been knocked out of this disposal. This is normally where the discharge water from the dishwasher drains into the disposal, and so and that's what you would see normally, black hose going up to the air gap. But it's open, and so you can't run water down it without water sneaking out. So what we do is we pack the end, get 7/8 hose, pack it full of putty, put a clamp on it, and leave it. So it's temporary. It's not a long-term thing, it's just monitor it, make sure that no water's getting by there. It should stay pretty good, but, we don't know what happens after we leave, so just monitor that area, and then eventually get a dishwasher and get it installed, get your water and get your waistline tight, and you should be good. So everything looks good in here. Outside of that, this installation is done.